How to make bitter leaf soup from scratch. This is shaki, and I bought the protein I'm using. So this is the cow skin, this is the beef, and this is the snail, and this is the fish I'm using. So you have to parboil the bitter leaf. This bitter leaf is from Africa shop. So this is it. I have to parboil it, but it's ready now. I have to blend it. So this is me adding the, I've added the cow skin because I don't want it to get too soft because it's not that strong. So as I put this inside now, I have to take 5 to 6 minutes to get ready before I will put the beef inside. So let's continue. This is the amount of the pepper I'm using. This is my pepper soup spice. This is the crayfish. I love more crayfish. I'm very generous with it. This is the bitter leaf. I finished blending and the meat is still cooking. This is the meat. Look at it. I don't use banga. It's a thing of choice. If you want, you can use. Me, I don't use. I like it like that. A kind of a pepper soup. That is how I'm using it. I'm going to put the snail much later, not now. I don't want it to get too soft. It's time to add this. I don't use much. If you want, you can use much. It's thing of choice. I don't eat too much pepper. Then I add the crayfish and the pepper soup spice. Then you stir. Don't forget, you know the bitter leaf is watery, so we are not going to add any water. So it's good like this. Then we have to leave for 5 minutes to cook. Now I can add my snail. This is it. Because this snail is very strong. I want it to cook just a little. Then we leave for 5 minutes. This is it. Now it's ready. It's time for us to turn the bitter leaf. This is it. So we have to leave it to cook for like 2 minutes before we can add the fish to it. Now it's time to test for salt. We have to add a little bit of salt. Then we still need to add Maggi cube, just this. then stir. Then it's time to add the fish, because why I'm adding the fish now, because I don't want it to get to scatter. So this is the fish, amount of the fish I'm using. This as much as you want. This is it. So don't forget, I'm not using banga. Some people add palm oil, some use banga. Is a thing of choice. So for me, I don't like it. I normally make mine like pepper soup. So if you want, you can add, but for me, I don't add. So let's cover for it to cook. Then for 10 minutes, our soup is ready. This is the final result. Our food is ready. This is fufu, and this is the black soup. This is all. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. Subscribe for more.